This is Andy again, Fat Man's Garage. Got a 73 Mustang Mach 1. Got up on the lift here. It's a it's a very solid project. Wanted to shoot a quick video here before it goes out to our other building. Someone was doing in the middle of rotisserie restoration on it. You can see this car is rust free. I'm sure I've got all the parts to put this car back together. I've got rust-free doors and fenders. I just wanted to shoot a quick video here to give you an idea what we got while we got it up in the air. Someone's already put a lot of work into this car. So this would be a pretty easy project at this point. Get some video underneath here as well. Very clean, rust-free. I don't really see any signs of them doing a whole lot of patchwork or repair work here. If they did, they did a heck of a job on it.
What am I going to have you?
That's a 9-inch here. Go underneath here.
There's no other date here.
Go up this way a little bit just to give you a good view of what we've got. This would be a great starter project for somebody. Like I said, I've got a trailer full of parts on this car. So there it is. I will get some more videos when it's down and some more pictures and update things there. Let me know if you have any interest or you got any questions. This car will be coming available very soon in its current state. Somebody can finish it up. We're so far backed up right now on projects. If we have it, it'll be a year before we get to it. So appreciate it. Appreciate you checking things out. And this is Andy with Fat Man's Garage.